In this video, I'm going to show you how to pay anywhere with Cash App. You've probably seen these registers in the middle of the screen. It's basically a Stripe device, and they're commonly used at small businesses. All of these devices allow you to pay with Cash App, and it was actually a lot easier than I expected. In order to pay, make sure you have cash in your balance.
What can I do for you?
Can I do the American with no aioli?
Note that I have $634 at the bottom left of my screen. Then once the QR code prompt appears on the device, you can tap the icon in the top left of your screen to open up your QR code scanner. Then simply just point the camera at their QR code and it will automatically start to pay. They'll probably have some prompts on the screen where you can select a tip, select if you want a receipt, and then you'll be good to go. This payment went through really fast. You can see my balance down in the bottom left of the screen is about $15 lower. So it's actually a super efficient way to pay if you have money in your Cash App balance. Here's a quick look at the sandwich that I got and the receipt that you can see in your Cash App transaction history. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.